Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start now, check inventory for 1 purity shard and 3 ether vials because without them the process stops. Move to the nearest cleanse node or a safe shrine. This reduces interruption risk. Once there, drop active combat and equip a neutral, non-curse weapon so passive effects don't reapply. Place a waypoint. It helps if you need to return. Keep stamina high. If you fail mid-process, you'll waste materials and time, so prepare to act quickly and deliberately. You perform the removal. Use the purity shard at the cleanse node, then immediately consume 1 ether vial to initiate the purge window. Maintain channeling for about 12 seconds. During that time, you cannot take damage or the process restarts. Once the first vial completes, check the flaw meter and repeat the vial consumption, because multiple vials are usually required to fully deplete stubborn flaws. Make sure to position behind cover and signal allies. Interruptions are the most common cause of failure. You finish by confirming the flaw meter reads 0 and checking your status screen to verify the flaw is gone. Log changes if you keep notes. If the channel was interrupted, immediately return to the same node and repeat the shard then vial sequence. Most issues are simply mid-process damage. As a troubleshooting tip, if repeated failures occur, clear nearby mobs, toggle graphics to reduce lag, and keep 1 extra purity shard and ether vial reserved for 1 retry without farming.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.